Up until now, I've been replacing the damaged foam in surfboards with a mixture of Q-Cell and resin. And people have expressed strong opinions on why that is not the best way to fix surfboards. So in this episode, I'm listening to you guys. We're going to do it your way. Now, this is the part that kept me from doing this in previous repairs. I get nervous using a router this close to the side or the rail of a surfboard. And the reason is if your hand moves at all, if you make a mistake, if you look away for a second, that router bit can grab and rip right through the side of the surfboard. Luckily, that didn't happen this time. This is funny. I went for a hike when I was waiting for the board to cure. I just got this new pair of boots by Brunt Workwear. They said they're waterproof, but I tell you what, man, my socks were still wet after this. So Brunt, I don't know what's up with that. Now, they said they're strong, reinforced safety toe, and that did pass the test. Definitely strong, didn't feel a thing on my toe. Real leather, great boots. If you guys are interested in getting yourself a pair, check out the description. Save 10% with the link in there. All right, we'll get back to it. And then go in the corner here and just inside bottom. So the there we go. That's perfect. Look at that. It's on the money.